Hello guys. Welcome to the tutorial for the first day in Stardew Valley for beginners, which you can have a relaxing day but be able to do a lot, like plant 40 plus seeds, see all villagers, craft 2 chests, reach level 1 foraging chests, and visit every corner of the town. We start out the day by rearranging the furniture, bringing the TV close to the entrance to ensure that we do not forget to check the TV daily. Next we clear out the way to the mountain because this is where we would come back later. Clear some areas to plant the parsnips. We also need to chop the first 50 woods for the first chest. Try not to crack many stones by now because we have just little energy and we need to save it to do other things. As we need to leave the farm between 10:30 to 10:50, so we can spend our spare time whacking weeds to search for some mixed seeds or chop down more woods. Put everything into the chest but the hoe, then leave the farm before 11 to ensure we can see Sam on the way going to work at Joja Mart. If you are a bit late, don't worry because he will pass by the Pierre's General Store at 5 p.m. We keep going down to the forest. To the pink tree, we should see little Jazz playing by now. Go around the forest to pick up all the forageable stuff. You can see that I'm going to some unnecessary areas. Because this is a tutorial, I'd like to show you that you absolutely have enough time to do all that I'm saying. Coming back, say hi to Haley or Skip if you talked to her earlier and pass by Marnie house to greet her. Make sure to leave the forest before 2:30. Meet Harvey, Vincent, Jody, Caroline in this area. Pass by the flower garden, you can greet Grandma Evelyn by now or maybe later in her house. Go straight to the blacksmith to say hi to Clint. Don't forget to check the bin. As I found a geode now, I'm going to break it and donate it to the museum for some money and also free up my backpack. Go to check the trash bin by the Joja Mart, then see Abigail. Give a gift to Caroline because I'd like to have 2 hearts with her as soon as possible. So greet Pierre and Leah in the Pierre General Store. Buy 2 cauliflower seeds, 2 bean seed for the spring bundle, and the rest on parsnips. You can sell some foraging items now or save some to eat for energy. I don't sell any by now because I had some extra money from Gunther earlier. Now we pass by to say hi to Alex, George. Go to the bench to see Penny and Maru. Go down to the bridge and meet Elliot. Next go down to the beach to search for more forageable items. Back to the saloon for Emily, Gus, Pam, and Shane. By now we have met everybody who lives in town. Now we go to the mountain. If you are coming before 7, you should see Robin and Demetrius standing outside near their house. Demetrius will come back home at 7 and stand inside his kitchen, so if you come late, go straight into the kitchen to find him. Go to the riverbank to see Sebastian, go inside the tent to greet Linus. Now it should be no later than 9 p.m. that we have met everyone in town, except Willie who is coming back on the 2nd, and Wizard, whom we will see after the 5th when the community center quest is opened. Now go back to the farm and keep planting all the seeds we bought. Chop more wood to craft the 2nd chest, which we would need when you go fishing on the 2nd day. Water all the crops, then go to bed. If you don't have enough energy, you can eat the items that we have picked up before. By the end of the day, we should reach level 1 foraging through chopping down wood and foraging stuffs because we only need 100 EXP points, so we don't need to go to bed before 12. We also don't have any money to lose, so we are not afraid if we sleep outside at 2 p.m. Note that the tree branch gives no EXP, so if you lack EXP, chop down some tree or go to bed before 12 for full energy the next day. This is the end of this tutorial. I also have other videos about the first day for more skilled players. I hope you would watch them, too, and tell me which is your favorite. Thank you for watching and see you in other videos.